It is 2 a.m. You promised yourself you would sleep, but you are still scrolling. Hours turn into minutes, days turn into weeks, and you feel like you were losing control of your life. You try to focus on work or study, but your brain feels foggy. You can't concentrate for more than 5 minutes. Scientists say our attention span is now shorter than a goldfish. But why is this happening? The answer lies in a single molecule in your brain: dopamine. Most people think dopamine is about pleasure. It is not. It is about desire. Dopamine is the chemical that makes you chase the carrot. It creates the craving, not the satisfaction. Your brain has a baseline level of dopamine. This is how you feel on a normal day. When you check your phone or eat sugar, dopamine spikes. You feel a sudden rush of excitement. But what goes up must come down. After the spike, your levels crash below the baseline. This crash is why you feel empty and anxious immediately after putting your phone away. If you spike dopamine too often, your brain protects itself by burning off receptors. This is called tolerance. Things that used to be fun, like music or sunset, don't excite you anymore. You are numb. We live in a world of cheap dopamine. It is high reward with zero effort. Social media is designed like a slot machine. Every swipe is a gamble for a hit of dopamine. Processed food is a super stimulus. An apple can't compete with a donut's dopamine hit. Video games give you a false sense of achievement. You level up in the game, but stay stuck in life. Because your brain is used to high spikes, normal tasks like reading or working feel painfully boring. You are not in control. Your biochemistry is being manipulated by apps and algorithms. This constant overstimulation drains your mental energy. You are exhausted, yet you haven't moved all day. So how do we fix this? We need to perform a dopamine detox. The goal is to reset your baseline. For 24 hours, you will eliminate all cheap dopamine. Rule number 1, no screens. No phone, no computer, no TV. Disconnect completely. Rule number 2, no junk food. Eat simple, bland meals to let your taste buds recover. Rule number 3, no music. Often we use music to drown out our own thoughts. What do? Nothing. You embrace the boredom. You let your mind wander. You can write, you can walk, you can think, but you cannot consume. Warning. The first few hours will be painful. Your brain will scream for a distraction. You will feel an intense urge to check your phone. Observe that feeling, but don't act on it. This pain is good. It means your receptors are healing. Your sensitivity is returning. When you wake up the next day, something magical will happen. That simple apple will taste incredibly sweet. Your taste buds have reset. Reading a book will no longer feel boring. It will feel interesting and engaging. Your dopamine baseline is restored. You no longer need high spikes just to feel okay. Now you can enter a state of deep work. You can focus on hard tasks for hours without distraction. Now you must protect this state. Don't flood your brain with cheap dopamine immediately. Tip: turn your phone to grayscale mode. A colorful screen triggers dopamine. A black and white one doesn't. Schedule your scrolling. Give yourself 30 minutes a day instead of 10 hours by accident. Replace cheap dopamine with expensive dopamine. Exercise, sunlight, and achieving goals. Train your brain to understand that reward comes after effort, not before. You are not lazy. You are just chemically imbalanced. The real you is capable of greatness. You have a choice today. Continue the cycle of addiction or break free. I challenge you. Pick one day this week, maybe this Sunday. Do a full reset. Focus is a muscle. The more you train it, the stronger it gets. Great things are built in silence and focus, not in the noise of social media. Unlock your potential. Reclaim your attention. Reclaim your life. This is BrainVas, helping you master your mind. If you found value in this video, hit the like button. It helps the algorithm. Subscribe for more psychology and mindset mastery videos. Remember, a focused mind is an unstoppable force. Thanks for watching.